Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your CPU temperature in Windows 11. So if you want to check your CPU temperature, you cannot use the taskbar to go to Task Manager and check your CPU temperature. So if you go to Performance, you cannot get the option to see your CPU temperatures from the CPU in Task Manager. So to check your CPU temperature, first you need to download an application. Just go to any browser and search for Core Temp Download and go to this website, which is www.alcpu.com. Don't worry, this is totally safe. Just click on download and it will start to download, and it's only 1 MB as you can see. Then you just need to double click on it, and after opening the installer, just click on next. I accept and click next. Then choose the where you want to install, just click next. And after that, you just need to uncheck this build your kingdom, which is going to install a game also. So you need to uncheck this, then click next. Also, if you want to install additional language packs, you can do that. But for me, I'm going to just uncheck that and click next and click install, and it will install in your PC. Just click next. And if you want to check the view readme text, you can do that. But I'm just going to both for uncheck and click finish. And as you can see, here's the application. Just double click to this. After opening, you can see all the temperature from your CPU. So I have 8 core CPU processor. That's why it's showing 8 core and 12 threads. And these are the 8 cores temperature right now. Or 0 or 1. And as you can see, my PC is running in average of 54 to 55. As you can see, we can also see the minimum and max here and load here. So that's it, guys. This is how you can check your CPU temperature in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.